Welcome to Part 4 of Unity Alert Training. If you have administrator permissions in Unity Realtime 2.0, you can configure alarms for analyzed data. Custom alarms can be set up for the following: lab number, lot, instrument, analyte combination, panel, days of the week, specified email recipients, holidays, rule violations, and a defined interval for sending email notifications. To set up an alarm for analyzed data, click Alarms. Then click the Analyzed Rules tab and click Add Rule. Enter a name for the rule. Let's take a second to define what a rule is in the terms of Unity Alert. A rule is a user-defined condition that triggers a notification. It may or may not be related to the violation of a WestGuard or Statistical Process Control rule. After naming the rule, select the options from each of the lists to specify which data you want email notifications about. You may select any combination of laboratory, lot, instrument, and analyte, or a panel selection. Next, select the checkboxes beside each day of the week for which you would want email notifications. Clear the checkbox if you do not want a notification sent for that day. Then add an email address for the alarm. Click Add New Email. Enter the email address. Click Add. Then move the email address to the list of target email addresses. Repeat the process for each email address you want to receive the alarm. Finally, click Accept. Now you can configure Unity Alert to send a notification for QC with the status of Reject or Warn, and QC data that violates an analytical goal. Click the Options tab. Select the checkbox beside each type of rule violation for which you want an email notification. Then select an email interval. This determines how often Unity Alert checks for QC failures. Finally, click Apply and Close. You can set up holidays and other specific days that you do not want Unity Alert to send a notification email. Select the date for the holiday. Click Add, and finally click Apply. Continue your training by viewing Part 5.